Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Redshift query editor login problems, IAM and cluster errors step by step clearly. If you're facing login problems with the Redshift query editor, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve them. First, confirm your user has the necessary IAM permissions. Log into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM service. Locate the user or role you are using to access Redshift. Check the permissions policies attached to this user or role. Ensure it has Amazon Redshift read-only access or Amazon Redshift full access permissions. If the permissions are not attached, add the appropriate policy. Next, check if your Redshift cluster is available. Go to the Amazon Redshift console. Select your cluster from the list. Confirm its status is available. If the cluster status shows as creating or modifying, wait for the process to complete. Verify the cluster's endpoint and port settings. Take note of the endpoint provided in the cluster details. Ensure you are using the correct port, typically 5439. Now, check that you are connecting to the correct database. In the query editor, ensure you've selected the correct database name. If you are not certain of the database name, you can find it in the cluster details. Next, review the security group settings associated with your Redshift cluster. Click on the VPC security groups linked to your cluster. Ensure the inbound rules allow traffic from your network. Typically, you'll want to allow access from your IP address. If needed, add a new inbound rule for your IP or CIDR block. Now, ensure your identity provider, if using, is configured properly. Check for any required attributes or roles missing from your identity provider settings. If you are still facing issues, attempt a different web browser or clear your existing browser cache. Sometimes, browser-related issues can cause login problems. Finally, if the problem persists, review CloudTrail logs for any denied permission errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.